Well, Jefferies has come out with this note on the budget expectations, which is the final budget expectations for FY25. And what they're saying in this note is that budget are usually a tight rope walk for the government as it needs to balance between the fiscal and the capex and growth. But this time that won't be the concern given the fact that RBI had announced a very big dividend which gives them an ample cushion of close to 40 to 50 basis points. Apart from that, they're also saying that this implies that the government can please everyone in this budget, which means that there will be higher capex, higher social spending and a tighter fiscal number also in this capex. Now they are expecting positive outcomes when it comes to sectors like affordable housing, capital expenditure, consumer and rate sensitive, while they are not expecting much positive to come in for the IT and pharma sector as we have seen in the past as well. Now when it comes to expectations, they are expecting income tax cuts to come in given the fact that collections have been very strong and government has some fiscal space this year. Apart from that, they are also expecting the interest subsidy scheme for urban housing to come back, which will be positive for real estate players and home financiers. Capex budget they're expecting to be increased by around 0.3 trillion, which will be positive for capital goods stock. They're also expecting the government to increase the welfare expenditure by around 0.5 trillion, which will be positive for rural plays going forward. And they're also expecting a reduction in the borrowing targets in FY25 final budget, and this should bode well for the rate sensitives as per Jefferies. Now when it comes to tobacco, they're expecting tobacco taxation changes by around 5 to 7%, which will be positive for ITC. And on the negative side, if you see, they're expecting some rule to come in by the government or some announcement to come in by in the budget when it comes to F&O trading, which won't bode well with the market. But also they are not expecting any changes when it comes to capital gain tax. So only negative they're expecting from the budget is some announcement when it comes to the F&O trading market.